Good morning to every student. Today we are going to discuss differentiability. So what do you mean by differentiability? A function y is equal to f of x is said to be differentiable at x is equal to a if limit extends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a exists finitely. Means it has a finite value, it has a definite value, it never be infinite, and this value of limit is called derivative of the function. यार फंक्शन रो लिमिटिंग वैल्यू डा एग्जिस्ट हेले आम कहबा फंक्शन को डिफरेंशिएबल एंड दिस वैल्यू ऑफ लिमिट इज कॉल्ड डेरिवेटिव और डिराइवेबल ऑफ द फंक्शन एट x is equal to a. It is denoted by dy by dx at x is equal to a or df by dx at x is equal to a or f dash a. So dy by dx at x is equal to a is equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a exist finitely. So limit x tends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a यार वैल्यू टा एग्जिस्ट है हमें फंक्शन टा कहबा डिफरेंशिएबल बोली कहबा. अच्छा, एग्जिस्ट मीन्स इट हैज ए डेफिनाइट वैल्यू और इट्स लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट. तो जो फंक्शन है मॉडुलस थियो ब्रैकेट थियो स्टेप फंक्शन थियो इन सच केस यू हैव टू फाइंड फॉर एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ लिमिट लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एंड राइट हैंड लिमिट. तो यार लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट रो वैल्यू टा हम कहबा लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव एंड द राइट हैंड लिमिट ऑफ द फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव. नेक्स्ट वी सी दैट लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव at x is equal to a. The left hand derivative at x is equal to a is denoted by f dash a minus. Okay, so f dash a minus is equal to limit x tends to a minus f of x minus f of a whole by x minus a. देखो यार लिमिटिंग वैल्यूटा एग्जिस्ट हैला माने यार गोटे वैल्यूटा जदि फाइनाइट हबो गोटे डेफिनाइट वैल्यू हबो आमे फंक्शन टा कहबा डिफरेंशिएबल कहबा. अदरवाइज इट्स लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट देन द लिमिट ऑफ द फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट हबो. એટલે यार लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट रो वैल्यूटा को हम कहबा लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव कहबा आ यार राइट हैंड लिमिट को हम कहबा राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव. And the left hand derivative is denoted by f dash a minus. So f dash a minus is equal to limit x tends to a minus f of x minus f of a by x minus a. But you know how to calculate the left hand limit. For left hand limit, substitute a minus h in place of x. As x tends to a minus, then h tends to will be 0. तेणु आम लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट आम केमती करछे x टेंड्स टू a माइनस माने कोन होबो ना लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0 हो आउ x जगह हम a minus h सब्स्टिट्यूट करू सो दिस इज इक्वल टू f half a minus h minus f half a whole by a minus h minus a तो प्लस a minus a cancel so this is equal to limit h tends to 0 f half a minus h minus f half a whole by a minus h. So this is known as a left hand derivative. So f dash a minus is equal to limit h tends to 0 f half a minus h minus f half a by minus h. So what is right hand derivative? Right hand derivative. Right hand derivative at x is equal to a. The right hand derivative at x is equal to a is denoted by f dash a plus. So f dash a plus is equal to limit x tends to a plus यार राइट हैंड लिमिट है तो राइट हैंड लिमिट हमने क्या लिमिट x टेंड्स टू a प्लस f हाफ x माइनस f हाफ है होल बाई x माइनस है तो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द राइट हैंड लिमिट फॉर राइट हैंड लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट a प्लस h इन प्लेस ऑफ x तो राइट हैंड लिमिट तुम बाहर कर जो x जार कौन पकेबा a प्लस h पकेबा एज x टेंड्स टू a प्लस h tends to 0 तो लिमिट h tends to 0 f half a plus h minus f half a whole by a plus h minus a plus h minus a तो plus a minus a cancel so this is equal to limit h tends to 0 f half a plus h minus f half a by h. So this is known as f dash a plus. So okay. So this one is f dash a minus and this one is f dash a plus. तो f dash a plus टा कौन होची ना लिमिट h tends to 0 f half a plus h minus f half a by h. लेफ्ट हैंड टा कौन होची लिमिट h tends to 0 f half a minus h minus f half a by minus h. So if left hand derivative at x is equal to a is equal to right hand derivative at x is equal to a then we say the function is differentiable otherwise it is not differentiable. So if left hand derivative that is f dash a minus is equal to f dash a plus then f of x is differentiable at x is equal to a otherwise fx is not differentiable at x is equal to a तेणु आमको जदि डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी टेस्ट करिया कहियो बोले आमे सेठी कोन करिया लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव बाहर करिया राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव बाहर करिया ताप हम देखिया इफ दे आर इक्वल और नॉट इफ दे आर इक्वल देन द फंक्शन इज डिफरेंशिएबल otherwise it is not differentiable. For example we see an example of the differentiability test. Test for question number 1. Test differentiability of fx equal to mod of 2x minus 3 at x is equal to 3/2. Now we test differentiability for this modulus function fx equal to modulus of 2x minus 3 at x is equal to 3 by 2. Clearly mod of 2x minus 3 is a modulus function, so fx equal to this one and a is equal to 3 by 2. Here a is equal to 3 by 2. Answer तुम फर्स्ट fx टा लिखियो फंक्शन टा लिखियो fx is equal to 2x minus 3. Here a is equal to 3 by 2. To calculate the value of a, f of a केता होबो, that is f of a means f of 3 by 2. f of 3 by 2, substitute 3 by 2 in place of x. So 2 into 3 by 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So 3 minus 3, the modulus of 0 is equal to 0. So f of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. We calculate right hand derivative and left hand derivative. We have, you know, f dash a plus माने कौन right hand derivative बाहर करिया. So f dash a plus equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a whole by h, that is f dash 3 by 2 plus as में 3 by 2 पकड़ा. So limit h tends to 0 f of 3 by 2 plus h minus f of 3 by 2 whole by h. So limit h tends to 0 f of 3 by 2 plus h means substitute 3 by 2 plus h in place of x of the given function fx. हमें f of 3 by 2 plus h माने x जरा में कौन पकड़ा ना 3 by 2 plus h पकड़ा. तो modulus of 2 into 3 by 2 plus h minus 3 minus what is f of 3 by 2. So f of 3 by 2 is equal to 0 by h. So limit h tends to 0, a 2 to cancel, mod of 3 plus 2h mod minus 3 by h. तो 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन कले 2 to cancel है ये 3 plus 2h minus 3, तो plus 3 minus 3 cancel, so this is equal to mod 2h. Limit h tends to 0 2h mod by h. बर्तमान कौन अच्छे मॉडुलस 2h अच्छी मोटा उठा पड़ियो आमे लिमिट टा बाहर करला बेले मॉडुलस बा ब्रैकेट फंक्शन थियो माने मोड रो वैल्यू उठा पड़ियो ब्रैकेट टा उठा पड़ियो. देखो 2h h tends to 0 means h is a very small positive number. So 2 into very small positive number means it is a very small positive number. तेणु एडा भितरटा पॉजिटिव होची. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 mod 2h is equal to 2h by h. कहीं जेहेतु भीतर क्वांटिटा पॉजिटिव वैल्यू वाला मोड टा उठले कोन हो 2h हो. So h is cancel, limit h tends to 0 2 is equal to 2. So the right hand limit is equal to 2. And what is left hand derivative? F dash a minus बर्तमान बाहर करिया लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव. सो f dash a minus. So f dash a minus is equal to, you know the formula, limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus f of a whole by minus h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 a minus h means f of 3 by 2 minus h minus f of 3 by 2 by minus h. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 3 by 2 minus h means substitute 3 by 2 minus h in place of x. So this is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 minus h आम एग्जाक्ट 3/2 माइनस एच पकेबा -3 बट एफ ऑफ 3/2 इज इक्वल टू 0 होल बाय माइनस एच. Okay, so this is equal to limit h tends to 0. Here modulus 2 cancel है 3 minus 2h minus 3 by minus h mod. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 plus 3 minus 3 cancel, so minus 2h mod by minus h. But minus 2h mod is equal to 2h. So this is equal limit h tends to 0. So this is equal minus 2 mod equal to 2 minus 2 mod 2 h mod equal to h by minus h. So h cancel. So this is equal to minus 2. Okay, because mod h equal to h, minus 2h mod is also 2h. So this one is a minus 2 and the right hand derivative, so left hand derivative is a minus 2 and the right hand derivative is a plus 2. So f at s 3/2 plus is not equal to f at s 3/2 minus. A problem में कौन असला ना right hand derivative is not equal to left hand derivative. That is here f at s 3/2 plus is equal to and f at s 3/2 minus is equal to minus 2. So f at s 3/2 plus is not equal to f at s 3/2 minus. Therefore mod of 2x minus 3 is not differentiable at x is equal to 3/2. No, immediate modulus function da is not differentiable at x is equal to 3/2. Next we see another example. Test the differentiability of fx is equal to 2x plus 3 square bracket 2x plus 3 means this is a greatest integer function at x is equal to minus 3/2. At x equal to minus 3/2. Now we test the differentiability. Clearly this function is a square bracket function, greatest integer function, and here fx is equal to bracket 2x plus 3, a is equal to, this value of a is equal to minus 3/2. So what is f of a? So f of a is equal to f of minus 3/2 and this will be 2 into minus 3/2 plus 3, 2 to cancel, minus 3 plus 3 equal to greatest integer function 0 is equal to 0, you know. So we find first right hand derivative f at s a plus, you know the formula, f at s a plus limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a whole by h. So limit h tends to 0, a means minus 3/2 plus, so minus 3/2 plus h f of minus 3/2 by h. So this is limit h tends to 0 f of minus 3/2 plus h माने तुम x जगह कौन पकेबो minus 3/2 plus h पकेबो. So 2 into minus 3/2 plus h plus 3 square bracket function, हमें square bracket function x जगह minus 3/2 plus h पकेबा minus f of minus 3/2. So this is equal to 0 whole by h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 2 to cancel ella, the minus 3 plus 2h plus 3 greatest integer function by h here cancel hela. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 bracket function 2h by h. तो बर्तमान ब्रैकेट फंक्शन उठा पड़ो ये h tends to 0 अच्छी माने सपोज इफ वी टेक h is equal to 0.001 नेबा बा 0.001 नेबा एला कत होची 2h means 0.002 तो 0.002 रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन केते 0 ए ब्रैकेट फंक्शन रो वैल्यूला आनिया पई आमे h जगह गोटे वेरी स्मॉल पॉजिटिव नंबर नै तुमको टेस्ट करिया को पड़ियो मु कोन नली h जगह 0.001 वेरी स्मॉल पॉजिटिव नंबर नबो एडी 0.001 पकेले 2 into 0.001 होची 0.002 हला तो 0 point something हला 0 point something रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन होची 0 केबे भी 1 होबोनी ना नहीं सो ऊपरटा होची तमरो दिस इज इक्वल टू लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0 तो 0 by h हला बट 0 by h means this is equal to 0 because h tends to 0 means 0 point something 0 by 0 point something ऊपरटा जेतु तमरो 0 पळे आसिला ना ऊपरटा 0 पळेले h टा कोन 0.001 ना 0 by 0.001 केते 0 तेनु एटा 0 by 0 बने पिलाने भाबुचती कोन ना ऊपरटा 0 लिमिट पकेले 0 by 0 दिस इज अनडिटरमिनेट फॉर इनफिनिट लिखि दोचती दिस इज रॉन्ग दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट मन रख यदि ऊपर वैल्यूला 0 हला तले हमें कोन 0.001 0 by 0 point something बोले वैल्यूला 0 तो राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव तमरा आसिला 0 आसिला नेक्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट द लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव सो f dash a minus देखो f dash a minus is equal to हम जानते the limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus f of a whole by minus h तो कौन ना लिमिट h tends to 0 ए जगह में पकेगा -3/2 f of -3/2 minus h f of -3/2 whole by minus h so this is limit h tends to 0 f of -3/2 minus h पका fx रे x जरा में पकेबा 2 into -3/2 minus h plus 3 and this one is 0 minus 0 by minus h so its value is limit h tends to 0 2 to cancel -3 -2h plus 3 by minus h so plus 3 minus 3 cancel this is limit h tends to 0 -2h bracket function by minus h देखो फेराडे ब्रैकेट रहला यार वैल्यू केते हबो ना h रा माने 0.001 मन कर उठे भाबी संख्या वेरी स्मॉल संख्या तो -2 into 0.001 means -0.002 तो -0 point something रहला -0 point something रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन केते ना -1 हबो 0 हबोनी 0 टा अधिक होउची सो दिस इज इक्वल टू लिमिट h tends to 0 यार वैल्यू ला -1 कहला by minus h हला सो माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हला लिमिट h tends to 0 1 by h हला यार वैल्यू केते अब देखो प्ले आमे जदी एडी h tends to 0 माने कोन 0 point something नै छे तो 1 by 0 point something h that is very small positive number 0.00001 or you can take 0.001 then 1 by 0 point something 1 by 0 point something कले some 0 point something माने nearly equal to 0 होची 1 by 0 point something तो 1 by 0 that is equal to infinite तो लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव जे तो ऊपरटा 1 आसेला ना तलडा 0 point something हला 1 by 0 point something रो वैल्यू ला के very negligible means it will be tends to 0 so if it tends to 0 then 1 by h tends to infinite हमरा approximate वैल्यू बाहर करछे एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू नहीं तो 1 by h tends to infinite होबो h tends to 0 तो 1 by h tends to infinite that means the left hand derivative is infinite does not exist but the right hand derivative is 0 देखो जो केस रे ऊपरटा 0 थिबो बाय h थियो बोले सेटा हमें कंसीडर करिया 0 काई 0 बाय 0 पॉइंट समथिंग 0 होला किंतु ऊपरटा एक नंबर आसियो तळला जदी h थियो h टेंड्स टू 0 माने नंबर बाय 0 पॉइंट समथिंग तो 0 पॉइंट समथिंग ना सेटी नंबर बाय 0 ना इक्वल टू इनफिनिटी over tends to infinite. So here right hand derivative is 0, left hand derivative is infinite, therefore the square bracket function is also not differentiable at x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So next problem, so test the differentiability of the function fx is equal to 1 minus 2x if x less than or equal to 1 by 2. If x greater than 1 by 2, then fx is equal to x minus 1 by 2. So we test the differentiability of the function at x is equal to 1 by 2. So clearly this one is the step function. So in such case also we find the left hand derivative and the right hand derivative. Answer. So left hand derivative at x is equal to 1 by 2, that is f at s 1 by 2 minus, so f at s 1 by 2 minus is equal to limit h tends to 0, you know the formula, f at s a minus equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus f of a whole by minus h. So this is limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h means 1 by 2 minus h minus f of 1 by 2 whole by minus h. So if x less than 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 minus means the value of x slightly less than 1 by 2. If x less than 1 by 2, then fx is equal to what? 1 minus 2x. जेतो x हम कोन बार करछ f at s 1 by 2 minus means x tends to 1 by 2 minus means x less than 1 by 2. If x less than 1 by 2, then fx equal to 1 by 1 minus 2x. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 हमें 1 by 2 minus h रा रिप्लेस करिया x जगह कोर्स दी एडी पकेवा काहे ना x टा होची कोन 1 by 2 टू सान 1 by 2 टू सान ले fx टा होची 1 minus 2x तो x जगह तमे 1 by 2 minus h पकेबो एडी पकेबो ऊपर 1 minus 2x रा पकेबा तो 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2 minus h minus f of 1 by 2. When x is equal to 1 by 2, then fx equal to this one. जेतो x रो वैल्यू 1 by 2 होची सेतो fx रो वैल्यू कोन 1 minus 2x. तो f of 1 by 2 माने तुम x रे 1 by 2 पकेबो ए फंक्शन रे तो दिस इज 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2. So एटा होचे f of 1 by 2 minus h, एटा होचे f of 1 by 2 whole by minus h. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 minus the 2 to cancel ela, so minus 1 plus 2h ela 2 to cancel 1 minus 1 0, so minus 0 by minus h, here minus 1 1 cancel, so this is equal to limit h tends to 0 2h by minus h, so h cancel limit h tends to 0 2 by minus 1, so this is equal to minus 2. Okay, so f at s 1 by 2 minus is equal to minus 2. Next we find right hand derivative at x is equal to 1 by 2. Right hand derivative RHD. Right hand derivative at x equal to 1 by 2 means we write f at s 1 by 2 plus. So f at s 1 by 2 plus means we have to write limit h tends to 0 a plus h minus f of a by h. So here a means 1 by 2, limit h tends to 0 f of 1 by 2 plus h माइनस 1/2 बाई h है। अच्छा ये कौन हो एफ ऑफ 1/2 प्लस h। सो x हियर x f dash 1/2 प्लस, तो f dash 1/2 प्लस मीन्स x slightly greater than 1/2. If x greater than 1/2 then fx will be x minus 1/2. 1/2 रू प्लस माने एडी कौन हम fx रो वैल्यू केते हो x minus 1/2 कारण ना x tends to 1/2 प्लस। सो एडी हमें 1/2 प्लस h पकेबा, replace 1/2 plus h in place of x for this function x minus 1/2। देखो पहले जेतलो x रो वैल्यू 1/2 रु टिके बड़ होची सेतो fx रो वैल्यू होची तमरो x minus 1/2। तो 1/2 plus h माने ए फंक्शन रे x जगह रे 1/2 plus h पकेबा। सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1/2 plus h, ओके 1/2 plus h minus 1/2, 1/2 plus h, 1/2 plus h minus 1/2 minus f of 1/2, f of 1/2 माने वैल्यू को रेडी पकाबो 1 minus 2 into 1/2। जेतले एक्स्ट्रा एग्जैक्ट 1/2 होची सेतो फंक्शन वैल्यू के देची 1 minus 2x देची, तो 1 minus 2 into 1/2 whole by h। So this is 1/2 minus 1/2 cancel, limit h tends to 0, h minus एडा cancel 0, तो h minus 0 by h, this is equal to limit h tends to 0, h by h। So h by h is equal to 1, so this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 equal to 1। So left hand derivative equal to minus 1, left hand derivative हमरो केते आस्तिला minus 1 left hand derivative and right hand derivative आस्तिला 1। so left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative, therefore the function is not differentiable। so fx is not differentiable at x is equal to 1/2। Next another example, next question, test the differentiability of the function fx is equal to x plus mod x at x equal to pi/2। so we find it's also for differentiability test right hand derivative and left hand derivative answer। here fx equal to x plus mod x and a is equal to pi/2। so f of pi/2 equal to pi/2 plus cos pi/2 रो mod, but cos pi/2 equal to 0, 0 plus pi/2 is equal to pi/2। f dash pi/2 plus right hand derivative, this is limit h tends to 0, f of pi/2 plus h, f dash pi/2 plus means limit h tends to 0, f of pi/2 plus h minus f of pi/2 whole by h, and this is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of pi/2 plus h माने replace pi/2 plus h in place of x। so this is pi/2 plus h plus pi/2 plus h, sorry cos of pi/2 plus h or more minus f of pi/2, but f of pi/2 is equal to pi/2 because cos pi/2 0, तो pi/2 plus 0 equal to pi/2, तो minus pi/2 whole by h, तो plus pi/2 minus pi/2 cancel, so this is equal to limit h tends to 0, h plus, तो cos 90 plus theta, 90 plus h, cos 90 plus lies in the second quadrant, in second quadrant cos is negative, so this is equal to cos h minus cos h ର mod okay by h minus cos h ର mod equal to mod cos h minus x ର mod equal to mod x so this is equal to limit h tends to 0 sorry cos 90 plus theta cos second quadrant रे हमरो वैल्यू ना नेगेटिव हो किंतु cos टा कोन हो sin हो so this is equal to cos 90 plus h is equal to minus sin h कहीं ना सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट पे cos टा नेगेटिव और मल्टीपल ऑफ 90 अछि cos टा तमरा sin हबो तो माइनस sin h तो लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0 ये कहता है h चला so this is equal to minus sin h रो mod is equal to minus sin h रो mod equal to sin h so this is equal to sin h रो mod by h चला so mod sin h रा कोन हबो h tends to 0 means 0 point something तो 0 point something that is the sin h is also positive quantity ना नहीं तो 0 point something means the light in first quadrant तो sin of 0 point something is lies in first quadrant so its value is positive so mod of sin h is equal to sin h limit h tends to 0 h plus sin h by h so you separate this limit h tends to 0 h by h plus sin h by h okay and this is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 plus limit h tends to 0 sin h by h so this is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 so the right hand derivative is equal to 2 बुझला हमर मोड sin h रा कोन हबो sin h हबो काहे कि एटा 0 point something sin of 0 point something is a positive quantity तो मोड sin h रा sin h ला so h by h sin h by h equal to 1 plus 1 this is equal to 2 so the right hand derivative is 2 and what is the left hand derivative here f as pi by 2 minus left hand derivative equal to f pi by 2 minus h minus f pi by 2 so f pi by 2 minus h माने कोन पका हमें x रे pi by 2 minus h पकेबो pi by 2 minus h ये cos pi by 2 minus h तो माइनस f pi by 2 रे pi by 2 बोला तो प्लस pi by 2 minus pi by 2 कैंसिल so this is equal minus h चला ये cos 90 minus theta तो cos pi by 2 minus h means 90 minus h lies in first quadrant all trigonometric ratio are positive तो cos 90 minus h is equal to what sin h रो mod okay so this is equal to minus h sin h रो mod equal to sin h because sign of positive is positive so यार value ला जो 0 point something माने यार value first quadrant आगे रहियो sin of like that so mod sin h equal to sin h by h ला तो this is लो ये कहता है minus h so this is equal to separate this limit so this is the limit h tends to 0 minus h by h plus limit h tends to 0 sin h by h so this is equal to minus 1 and this is equal to sin h by h is equal to 1 तो 1 तो minus 1 plus 1 this is equal to 0 so left hand derivative is 0 but the right hand derivative is 2 so the function is not differentiable because left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative so x plus mod x is not differentiable at x is equal to pi by 2 next we see another example fx equal to number 5 test the differentiability of the function fx equal to x square sin 1 by x if x not equal to 0 if x is equal to 0 we test the differentiability of the function Similarly, we process for differentiability at x is equal to 0. तो आम 0 पाखे टेस्ट करिया. For differentiability, we find the left hand derivative and the right hand derivative. Answer f dash 0 plus, this is known as right hand derivative. So f dash 0 plus is equal to limit h dash to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a whole by h. Limit h dash to 0, a means here 0, f of 0 plus h means f of h minus f of 0 by h. H tends to 0. Okay, f dash 0 plus, that means here fx equal to x square sin 1 by x, nearly equal to 0. H tends to 0 means h may be less than 0 or may be greater than 0. If h less than 0 or greater than 0, that means x not equal to 0. If x not equal to 0, then fx equal to x square sin 1 by x. So damage pakra limit h tends to 0, f of h means substitute h in place of x of the function. So kete asla here h square sin 1 by h, but f of 0 is equal to 0. This is the given part. F of 0, if we put x equal to 0, then f of 0 equal to 0. Okay, 0 plus माने हमें 0 टिके बढ़ाबो, that means x not equal to 0. जब x not equal to 0 होगा तो fx टाइप की होगा. So f of h means exact में h पकेबो कुड़ी ए फंक्शन रे पकेलो h square sin 1 by h minus 0 by h आला. So h square h cancel आला. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 एटा h sin 1 by h आला. बर्तन हम जदि h रा 0 पके देबा तो 0 into 1 by 0 infinite sin of infinite, whatever may be the value of angle of a sine, its value must be lies in between -1 to 1. तेणु sin रो एंगल जेते बड़ हेले मध्य तार वैल्यू को भीतर रहियो -1 to 1 भीतर रहियो. lies between -1 to +1. So 0 into lies between -1 to 1. So this is equal to 0. Okay. So the f dash 0 plus equal to 0. Right hand derivative is 0. Calculate left hand derivative. So f dash 0 minus. So f dash 0 minus equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus f of a whole by minus h. So limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus means 0 minus h means minus h minus f of 0 by minus h. So what is f of minus h? Put minus h in place of x. So minus h square into sin of -1 by h. But f of 0 equal to 0 by minus h, and this is equal to limit h tends to 0 h square sin of -1 by h. You know sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. So this is minus sin 1 by h by minus h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus h square sin 1 by h by minus h ला. Minus minus cancel, तो h square h cancel. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 h into sin 1 by h. So if we put limit, so this is equal to 0 into lies between -1 to 1. Similarly, तो मैं ये 0 पकड़ले 0 into lies between -1 to 1. So this is equal to 0. So the left hand derivative 0, right hand derivative is 0. Therefore fx is differentiable fx is differentiable at x is equal to 0 देखो ए प्रॉब्लम रे कोन होची ना लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव संगे इक्वल हैला सो वी से द फंक्शन इज डिफरेंशिएबल at x equal to 0 नेक्स्ट